There isn't a single answer to the question of what to do if an ex wants to come back. The situation varies from person to person. While scrolling through Facebook, I came across a case study. A couple frequently went through breakups and reconciliations. One day they were together, and a few days later, they had broken up again. Then, after some time, they would be seen together at a restaurant. Eventually, the couple got married, but within 6 months, they filed for legal separation. On the other hand, there are cases where people break up during a relationship but later reconcile, get married, and lead a happy life. So, if your ex wants to come back, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It varies from person to person, but there are some general points to keep in mind. 1. Was the breakup a mistake? Reflect on why the breakup happened. How justified was it? Don't accept them back just because they want to come back, and make sure you won't have to go through the same emotions again. Remember, people don't change easily. According to a study published in the journal Social Psychological and Personality Science *, 87% of relationships that resumed after a breakup didn't work out in the long run. However, if you think your relationship deserves another chance, why not? 2. Take a pause. Don't make any hasty decisions in the heat of the moment. Think carefully before breaking up, and also take your time before reconciling. Give yourself time to understand your feelings. Don't fall victim to emotional blackmail. Listen to your heart and take your time. 3. Trial period. Introduce a trial period between the breakup and reconciliation. Observe your ex during this time. Have open and honest discussions. Reevaluate your understanding of each other. Remember, you fell in love the first time driven by emotions. Now it's time to judge it with logic and reason. Only move forward to reconcile the broken relationship once you're completely sure. 4. What memories of your ex stir your emotions? This is an important question for reconciliation. Take a quick trip down memory lane. Which memories with your ex have left a deep impression on your heart? Are they joyful or sorrowful? In short, how do you currently feel about your ex? The answer to this question will help you determine whether your ex was toxic or if the breakup was simply due to misunderstandings. 5. No more comparisons with the past. Once you've decided to reconcile your old relationship, avoid making any comparisons with the past. Mexican-American French Hollywood star Salma Hayek mentioned in an interview about their marital relationship that when a problem arises, they both focus only on solving the problem. They don't waste time pointing fingers or determining who is to blame. They look forward and take the necessary steps to solve the problem as quickly as possible. Similarly, after reconciling, don't bring up past mistakes. Learn from them, correct yourselves, and move forward beautifully.